How to mix colors for sky, clouds, and sunset or sunrise. A dramatic sky with beautiful sunset clouds decorates any landscape or cityscape and is an essential part of cloudscape. You can mix colors for clouds including sunset and sunrise clouds from French ultramarine, cadmium red, raw sienna, and burnt sienna. French ultramarine plus burnt sienna gives warm blue for clouds. French ultramarine plus burnt sienna plus raw sienna gives warm gray for clouds. French ultramarine plus cadmium red gives muted violet for clouds. Raw sienna plus cadmium red gives muted orange for sunset or sunrise clouds. Plus, you can always use the ArtistAssistApp Color Picker and get step-by-step instructions on how to mix blue sky, sunset sky, and orange clouds from a reference photo.